Another one is, for example, that stainless steels are prone to microbial corrosion. This is absolutely wrong. The main reason stainless steel could be resistant to microbial corrosion is having toxic elements such as molybdenum that could render them resistant to microbial corrosion. And that's why stainless steel 316L, for example, is more resistant to microbial corrosion than stainless steel 304, simply because its molybdenum level is higher. However, having said that, this does not mean stainless steels are all immune to MIC. We do have several documented cases of microbial corrosion in stainless steels.